Hello. 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 Hello, heart. Hi, baby.
Mag, kayo nila. Kayo ko dyan. Kadobing ito na kaway ko.
Ah,
Kadobing ito na kaway ko. Nalatan.
chicka, chicka, ching, chicka, ching. Oh, you want like this? You want to ride on a stroller? We will go. Wow. Wow. How about this? Do you want like that? Or ribbon? Window shopping kami ni Heart. Hello everyone! Wow, what do you like? Wow. Dito kami sa mall uli. Magsha-shopping ni Heart. But you already have a bag like that. We will see the stuff test. Hello! I don't know. What, this one? This one? Ito daw gusto niya. Oh. Ayun. Ayun. Mahilig yun. Oh, it's like unicorn. It's a small unicorn. Oh, how about this? Wow. Oh, ang gaganda. Oh. Look, look. Look at that. What's that? Which one? There's a flower there. Which one you like?
Oh.
Namimili siya. Which one? Which one? Oh. We will choose here something. Tingin tayo dito. Inaaliw ko si Heart kasi may bibilihin si mami niya at daddy niya. How about this? How about this? It's a ribbon. No, there's Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. There's a very big bag, not for a baby. Ay, that one, that one. That one. That one, oh. Oh, this one. Hello Kitty. Gustong-gusto niya kasi si Hello Kitty. We have a picture in Hello Kitty. Ha? Where's the Hello Kitty? Hello Kitty. Okay. What do you want? How about this? A flower. We'll have a picture and a flower. Picture is a flower. Up? There's no uphill. Where will we go up? We will wait for your mommy. Here. This one. You want to ride on this like this? This one. Magkano ito? Oh, look. Mahal pala yung gamit ng mga bata. You want to ride on like this one? 20% discount. We will see this. $3,000. This one, oh, you like this one or that one? have different kinds of ball. We will meet for mommy. When you hold this, oh, you get it. It's a ball, oh. Oh, you just hold it. You hold it. You hold. You hold. Ball.
We go and see mommy. We go mommy. 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 We go and see mommy. Ito kumuktar ka. Naipit sa amin. Dito na naman. Kaya ka ba? Why do you kick? You don't need to kick.
Ayan, pasyal tayo.
Napanantang Jenny Cam.
Bibilhan siya ng swimsuit pala.
What did you say, ano?
The children's, ang gaganda ng mga damit. Habang binibilhan si Heart ng damit, mag-ikot tayo. Binibilhan siya ng swimsuit kasi magsuswimming sila bukas.
Dapat ilog mo yung ano. Bigas. Ay, grocery ba? Bigas. Grocery tayo. Ito tama daddy sana ha. Okay.
Ah, auntie. Ikabil kuntoy maganda.
Ito na lang. Ito na tag. Lapos na.
Buy one, get one sila dito.
Yung mga ganito sana, dado.
Rash guard, parang ano, panlalaki naman yan. Ayan, pambabae. Kita anda impadala di ko, manang mo pictures, rash guard. Baka pwede. Long sleeve. Dapat bating suit ijay, hamo nakita ba dyan? Dagijay bag nga may isa. Nagado pang swimsuit. Ayan na jay paggatangan tikwa, Arya. Jay taho. Gumatangak man tayo. Yung favorite ko, sa anak ko, bili tayo ng taho. Anak. Gumatangak man tayo. Mayroon pang taho. Yung mainit. Taho. Ay, saan ba yun? Ay, sorry. Isa nga ano, mainit yung ganito. Kasama yan, senyor. Bakit nung bumili ako yung kasama? Okay na. Okay. Hindi ba ikaw yung mag-discuss sa akin? Magkano yan? Isang ganito. Kala ko kung ever discount sa senior lang. Kala ko basta one single receipt. Nagmamadali kasi yun. Bili tayo ng taho. Masaraduhan. Ayan na. Dito muna. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye. God bless you.